Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here with another Konami SF, I'm assuming it's science fiction, movie selection, Star Trek figurine collection review. I've struggled to figure out what to call these. It's easy doing the Eagle Moss stuff, because it kind of rolls off the tongue eventually, but yeah, these are the Konami ones. They were a set of 9. They had, in total, I think there was 7 models, 3 chase ones, which made it up to a little bit of an awkward one to get, but they never made one set in 2008, which they're really nicely modelled, detailed models. Now, this is the last one out of the set, but it's a special one because 1, we've got 2, and 2, we've got 1 of them. No. Okay, forget it. We have in here the USS Enterprise 1701E, the Sovereign class. Now, this is actually quite a good little way they've done this. I'll show you that one in a second. Let's get the other one out. Actually, what I'm going to do is leave that one in the bag, because these are exactly the same model. Absolutely spot on to everything being exactly the same. But I'm going to open this one for you, because this is the chase one. Out of the 3 chasers, there were the Klingon Bird of Prey, which was a full model, the Klingon Battlecruiser with a different base, and this one, again, with a different base. So I'll show you this one this time. I didn't show you on the Klingon, but it just shows you the Star Trek logo on the top, which is the motion picture logo. And I wonder if one of these will actually fit on here one day. Now, the best thing about this is it's where it's being cut. Now, this would, if this ship ever did a saucer separation, would split there. It would come out there. So it's actually a really good place to pretend that it's coming out and off you go. Saucer goes. I wouldn't have thought it would actually be a 3-piece ship. But there are places out there that you could, no, that's not going to fit again. We could actually possibly consider maybe a lower part of this would break off. I don't know. Possibly not. Maybe I just dreamt that. So let's get that inside there. That's quite tight to get that into. So a little bit awkward, and I need to do this. Oh goodness, that is quite awkward to get into. Let's leave it like that for a minute. It's in place, it's fine, it's not going anywhere. But let me get you in, get some detail of this. This is the Sovereign class, Captain Picard's starship from First Contact onwards, even though, yeah, I know, before anybody says anything, the pylons were further back after First Contact, because it went from, I think it did go from a model to CGI, or did they just get the wrong CGI? I don't know. Actually, not a bad design, this. It's very much like a, if it would kept the colour, it would be like a glow in the dark. Because they used to have the duck egg blue for the Enterprise D, which you don't have in this collection, and the whites of the refit and the greys of the original series. Can you see that? Can I get... no. Can we get this? There we go. On my fingers. If you can read that, you're a better person than me. So let's get out a little bit. Underneath side. It kind of looks odd because you've got flat sections on the nacelles. Very flat section there, but it looks like these would possibly pop straight off and maybe just slide another one on. I don't know. I'm just spitballing an idea here. Lots of escape pods. And that's the angle you saw with Worf, Picard, and Hawk trying to stop the Borg changing the navigational deflector into a multiplexing array, was it? If that is right, then that's just come straight off the top of my head. These triangular bits, very much reminiscent of the Constitution class. Don't know what they're for. Possibly landing legs. NCC 1701E. Very nice ship, these. There's a lot of detail work on these. See, there's a gap there that I haven't managed to push in. Konami did a good job, to be honest. For the price of what these were, they didn't do too bad a job. I just need to force that in, so ignore that completely. And you got some nice impulse engine on the back there. Actually, there's one thing I ain't noticed yet. Where's the Cousteau? Is it Cousteau? Yeah. There isn't the Cousteau, or is it? Yeah, they haven't kind of modelled that in. This must have been done. Oh, that's a think. Yeah, they were after when Insurrection was out, so they would have known about the captain's yacht. I mean, it's interesting. You get the black sections on there as well as the lighter. That's almost like grey, and then you got extra parts. It's like it's been made by multiple types of alloys. Size-wise, is pretty good. So that's actually not too bad. A little bit smaller than Eagle Moss, but really good size to actually display these. Shuttle bay's out by a mile? This is just ridiculous. But I can't complain to Konami because these have been out of production for 12 years at the time of recording this. Nice little nacelle detail work. I mean, most of these will have been hand painted, so it's been really awkward to get the paint dabs on. These are very, very nice indeed. Really, really nice. I mean, all of these are a little bit iffy. You've got the nacelles down on one side, so it's not exactly mint, but they were just meant as a toy, not as a collector's item. These are toys. So with that in mind, yeah, it's quite. I quite like these. It's been a really good set. These have. I'll try and get hold of, if I can, others of these smaller series. I mean, the Romando ones are going to be impossible to get hold of. There were 2 series of those. The F-Toys, they did a run and then they redid them with the Enterprise from the J.J. Abrams verse. There's also Futura ones. I'd love to get the Futura ones back again. There were 4 series of those, even though the last 2 were kind of half series, and they scaled them differently as well and added a couple of heads in. It's kind of weird, but if I can get any, I will do. If you've got a set and you want to give the, well, if you want to give them me, yeah, fine, I'll take them. But if you want to sell them or whatever for a decent enough price, please get in touch. If not, I'll just keep plodding along and see what I can find, and we'll give you some more content whenever I can. But with that, and with the last of the chase items, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, follow me on social media, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.